This video shows how to use the Calculate feature in Microsoft Word. Normally, when we need to do a quick calculation, we use the Windows calculator. However, while working in a Word document, you can make use of the Calculate feature, which performs any simple calculations typed into your document. Before we can use the Calculate command, we need to add it to the Quick Access toolbar. To do this, click the File tab. Click Options. The Word Options dialog box is displayed. Click Quick Access toolbar. In the right pane, from the Choose Commands from list, select All Commands. All the available commands are displayed in the list. Scroll through the list, and click Calculate. Click Add. Click OK. The Calculate option is added to the Quick Access toolbar. To use the Calculate option, type any equation in the Word document. Then, select the equation. Click Calculate. The result is displayed in the status bar. As you can see, the Calculate command will not insert the answer into your document. However, the result is stored in the clipboard. Therefore, you can paste the result in your document, or copy it to another program. Make use of this simple and straightforward calculator to perform simple calculations in your Word document. Thank you for watching this video.